Petal card limit increases are not automatic, because Petal reviews account activity before deciding whether to approve a higher credit limit. If your Petal card limit increase was denied, you'll learn why it may have happened, what information to check, and what steps can improve your chances of getting approved later. The first thing to check is your account history. Review your payment activity, balance usage, and recent account changes, because issuers look at how you manage your existing credit before increasing a limit. A denied limit increase does not always mean your account has a permanent problem. It can mean Petal's current review found that your account does not meet its requirements for a higher limit at that time. Open the Petal app and review your account details. Check for notifications, messages, or requests for updated information that may explain the decision. Your credit report can also affect limit decisions. Review your credit reports for inaccurate information, including incorrect late payments, accounts that do not belong to you, or outdated details. If you find an error, dispute the incorrect information with the credit bureau reporting it. Provide documents that support your claim and explain exactly what needs to be corrected. Your income information can also matter when requesting more available credit. Make sure the information connected to your Petal account is accurate and updated if your financial situation has changed. Avoid requesting multiple limit increases in a short period. Repeated requests may not help if the main issue affecting approval has not changed. Continue using your Petal card responsibly while waiting. Pay on time, keep your account active, and monitor your credit profile for changes. When you are ready to try again, review your account information first and make sure your credit reports are accurate before submitting another request. The main fixes are checking your account history, correcting credit report errors, updating your information, and giving your account time to show responsible usage. Your next step is to open the Petal app, review why the request was denied if available, and check your credit reports for anything that could be affecting your approval. If this helped you understand why your Petal card limit increase was denied, like the video and subscribe for more credit card and credit building guides.